Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how you can import the Mograte file for YouTube end screen design pack 1 into the Premiere Pro, and after that I will show you how you can edit and use this template. Go to window menu and then choose Essential Graphics. Then you will find that Essential Graphics panel has been opened. There are two tabs, Browse and Edits. Go to the Browse tab and then go to the lower right corner of this panel where you can find this plus icon. Click on this icon and navigate to the folder where you have Mograte file for the templates and select the Mograte file which you want to import in the Premiere Pro. First I select Design 1 and then press open, and you can see that it imported in the Essential Graphics panel. I have deleted all the default templates which comes with Premiere Pro. If you have so many templates and you are not seeing the imported template file, then you just go to the search box and here you just have to type end screen, press enter, and you will find the template. Okay, now just drag and drop it on your timeline. Okay, then select this layer. After selecting, you can see that edit tab has been activated, and here you can see all the settings which I have added in this template, which you can change here. In this template, you can change each and every color which you are seeing on this screen. First of all, I am going to show you all the settings which I have given here. Okay. So first setting is starting transition on and off. What is this? If you go to start at the beginning of this template, you can see that there is a white background in the starting. But when you uncheck this, you will have the transparency, which you can create a transition from your footage to the end screen or your outro design. If you want transition, then you just turn it off. If you want only white background, no transition, then you just check this on. And second option is edit your channel name, which you can see here. You can just click here and type whatever name you want and press enter. You can see it's changed here, and if you want to change its color, you just have to click this icon and choose whatever color you want. For example, I choose green. Okay, you can see its color has been changed, or you can just pick any screen color from clicking this icon and just click anywhere you want to pick the color. Okay. After that, if you want to reposition this text, you can just do it here from here. Okay. If you want to change its size, you can do it from here. Okay. After that, there is follow me text, which you can find here. Follow me. If you want to change this text, you can do it from here. You can just type and click enter, and this text will be changed here. Okay. And the same way you can change its color from here, and you can change its position and scale. After that, on social media, here you can see on social media, you can change its text from here, whatever you want. My social media links, just click enter and it will be changed here. If you want to change its color, you can change from here. If you want to pick any skin color, you can pick by this, Okay, you can change its position and scale. After that, Facebook link, which you can see here, Facebook link, you can change this link here. Deep FX enter, you can see it's changed here. You can change its color, pick any screen size, pick any screen color, or you can change its position and scale. After that, Instagram link, you can also change this from here. Type whatever you want, and you can change its color. You can change its position, its scale. After that, Twitter link, which you can see here. After that, you can see checkout text. Here you can see above the upper video border, checkout newest upload. You can also change this text. If you want to change this text to my next video, suggested video, whatever you want, you can change it from here. Just type it here, type any text here and enter, and you can change color, pick skin color, position it. After that, newest upload. Here the lower text is newest. If you don't want to see this text, just delete all the text in this box and press enter, and you will see that text is erased from the design if you don't want that. After that, related text, you can change this text from here and type whatever you want, related videos, or you can say suggested. Just type and press enter, it will be changed here. And you can change its color, its position, and its scale. After that, video text, you can change it here. Just type whatever you want, change the color, pick a screen color, change X and Y value, you can change its scale. After that, you will find channel logo ellipse, which you can see here. This is the channel ellipse. You can change its color if you want from here. Okay, and if you want to change its width, you can do it from here, from this slider, or you can just click here and input whatever you want. Okay, or you can use this slider to increase or decrease the width. After that, you can change the color of this upper video border. You can increase or decrease its size. Okay, after that, you will find lower video border. From here, you can change the lower video border's color and width size. Okay, after that, you will find background color setting. These are the color you are seeing in background. Here you can see pink gradient, here you can see blue gradient, and in the middle of both you can see white background. You can change these color from here. If you want to change this pink gradient, you can do it from here. Just select whatever color you want, and it will be updated here. Okay, likewise, you can change the blue color. You can change it to yellow or whatever color you want. Okay, you can also change this white color. So something like red or whatever you want. Okay, after that you can change the color of the upper arrow animation. Upper arrow animation means this arrow. You can change this arrow color and the background of the arrow and the border of this ellipse from here. If you want to change this arrow color, just click here and choose whatever color you want. Okay, you can see it's changed from yellow to pink. If you want to change this background, you can change from here. Okay, you can see, and likewise you can change its border color also. Then after lower arrow animation colors, these settings will change this arrow and background and border colors. Okay, after that here is follow me border. You can see there is also a border, animated border near my social links. You can also change its color from here and its width from here. If you don't want this border, you can just type here 0 and it will disappear from here. Okay, after this I will show you. Open this. Select this in timeline, go to the edit section. Here you can see the starting transition on off, which I have told you how to use it before, and you can change from the channel name from here, its color. You can choose whatever screen color you want from here. You can change that position of this channel name from here, X and Y. Just click here and drag and it will reflected here. You can change its size from here. After that, follow me text. This follow me text, if you want to change its color, size or position, you can do it from here. After that, on social media text. On social media, which you can see here, if you want to change its color, position, scale, you can do it from here. After that, Facebook link, Instagram link and Twitter link, which you can see here. Facebook link, Instagram link and Twitter link. If you want to change its text, you can do it from here. Just click and type whatever you want and hit enter, and your change will be reflected here. After that, checkout text, which you can see here is checkout, newest upload. These are two different text which you can change from here, checkout and newest upload. If you want to change the text, just click here, type the new text and hit enter. It will be changed here. Like I will show you. Suggested, I typed suggested, hit enter and it will be changed here. If you want to adjust its position, you can do it from here. If you want to send it a little bit upper, you can do it from here. If you want to increase its size, you can do it from here. Okay, after that, newest upload, which you can find this text here, newest upload. You can also change this text from here. You can change its color, position and scale. After that, related text, which you can find here, related. If you want to change its text, color and position, scale, you can do it from here. And the video text, you can do it from here. After that you can see subscribe text. This subscribe text, if you want to change something, like if you want to subscribe my channel, just type and click enter. You will see it appeared here, subscribe my channel. You can change its color from here, click and choose whatever color you want. Okay, and you can change its position and scale. If you want to scale down or increase, if you want to increase its scale, you can do it from here. After that you can see there is a arrow. It has 3 colors appearing. You can see in this arrow, animated arrow, there are 3 colors. First yellow, then after pink, and third color is blue. If you want to change these color, you can do it from here. First color yellow, second color pink, third color blue. If you want to change these color, you can do it from here. Just click on this color and change whatever you want, and you can see it will be reflected here. Okay, after that you can change the background BG color. You can change these blue colors ellipse, yellow color ellipse, and pink color ellipse. Like if you want to change this blue ellipse to green, you can do it from here. Just click here, start color. There you can see 2 colors, a start color and end colors. These are 2 colors because I have used a gradient for this. So you have to choose 2 colors to use as a gradient. Like I choose green. Okay, and in second color I will choose a dark green. Okay, now you can see that our blue color has been changed everywhere. Like this you can change the pink ellipse color and yellow ellipse color. And after that, here is an option white background color. With this option you can change this background white color. Just click here and select whatever color you want and press OK. Okay, after that you will find left video border. You can change this border's color and width. And after that, right video border, this right video border, you can change its color and width of this border from here. After that, follow me border. This one is I called this one follow me border. If you want to change this border's color and width, you can do it from here. Like if you want this pink color to be yellow, so just click on this pink color and select yellow and press OK. You can see it's become yellow. Or you can just if you want, you just click and select from here. Okay. Okay, all the controls in these all 4 templates are similar. So I think now you can change each and every controls which I have given in these templates. Although if you find any problem, feel free to contact me. Thank you so much.